Okay, in this section, I would like to tell you how to create drawing header, customized drawing header, especially for your organization or your institution. In FreeCAD, we only have typically the default header, something like this. We can assign the designer name, date, title, subtitle, scale, etc. And how to make a custom header become something like this depend on your institution template, and this is how I make the custom header of your drawing. First of all, you have to know you have to study about the format of the header. In here, the format of the header is SVG. SVG can be opened using vector drawing software, something like Inkscape, like this. So I want to copy the address of the template, open the Windows Explorer, File Explorer, and I copy this address, and then I copy this default templates to any, for example, in desktop. Okay, and you can open this using Inkscape vector graphic, and in here actually you can do anything you want. For example, you want to delete this line, or you ungroup by ungrouping Shift Control G, and you want to customize the length of the line. You change the positions, and also you drag this and this. This must be ungroup, Control Shift G, and in here design, for example, date, and you can insert your logo, institution logo, anywhere you want, or you can add some line, customized line using the default feature in the Inkscape. For example, something like this. Alright, enter, and fill the stroke thickness with 0.5, and in here this is the fix, this is the fix text, this is the fixed text. You can also change this. Oh, no, you cannot. This is the fix. You can delete, you can add the new name, designer, for example. You change the color, fill the stroke, and fill, okay, designer. This is the static or fixed text, and this is the editable. How to customize this? Designer name, for example, designer name, and for example you want to fill a lot of stuff, something like your supervisor here, supervisor. For the simple, you can just copy this and paste this. But in the FreeCAD, when we import this template, when you fill designer name, it is automatically assigned also in here. So how to customize? You go to XML editor. In XML editor, you can change the name, the identity. This is design by name. For example, here design by name. In here also design by name. You have to change this, design by name. For example, 00. Enter. This is already has the different ID. Supervisor name. And for example, I want to save this, just save it, and I want to import to my FreeCAD. I save the file in the desktop, open it up, and this is already changed. You can customize the supervisor name, for example Robert, and this is your name, Rip. Okay, this is automatically changed. This is different ID. If you have the same ID, it will appear the same name automatically. Okay, thank you how to make custom header on FreeCAD. Thank you so much.